Just hours to go for the upcoming elections in the state of Maharashtra. Senior leader of the Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP, Anil Deshmukh, was attacked late last evening in Katol Assembly constituency, where he is the MLA. Stones were pelted on his vehicle of the former Maharashtra Home Minister. He is also said to have suffered serious injuries and was immediately hospitalized. The police, meanwhile, launching an investigation into the matter, with the protests also continuing.
शाम में तकरीबन 8 बजे के आसपास एक घटना घटी। पारट शिंगा बोलकर के गांव है जो कि काटोल विधानसभा क्षेत्र में है। यहाँ पर श्री अनिल देशमुख अपना सभा कंप्लीट करके नरखेड़ की तरफ से काटोल की तरफ की ओर आ रहे थे। रोड के एक आइसोलेटेड भाग पे उनके प्राथमिक इंफॉर्मेशन के मुताबिक उनके गाड़ी पर पथराव हुई। इस इंसिडेंट में उन्हें इंजरी भी हुई है। ये जो घटना घटी है इससे बहुत गंभीर रूप से नागपुर ग्रामीण पुलिस ले रही है और फौरन इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू कर दिया गया है।
माननीय अनिल देशमुख साहब को यहाँ एलेक्सिस हॉस्पिटल में उपचार के लिए लेके आए हैं और डॉक्टर उनके ऊपर उपचार कर रहे हैं और यहाँ हमारे जॉइंट सीपी सर एसपी साहब खड़े हैं और उनके मार्गदर्शन में हमारा बंदोबस्त भी चालू है।
However, this attack is coming just hours before the elections in Maharashtra, which has once again sparked off a fierce war of words over the law and order situation. Congress attacking the Mahayuti over deteriorating law and order situation. The Uddhav faction, however, of the Shiv Sena making it clear that the intent behind this attack could be purely political, hinting BJP's hand.
पत्थरबाजी करके उनकी गाड़ी पर बहुत बड़ा हमला कर दिया, तोड़फोड़ की। वो उस घटना में घायल हो गए हैं, उनको अस्पताल ले जाया जा रहा है। लेकिन ये कौन सी गंदी राजनीति विपक्षों ने शुरू की है? उनका संशय है कि हो सकता है कि भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता हूं। पता नहीं सही है गलत है, इसकी तो जांच के बाद ही पता चलेगी। अरे चुनाव में हम मुद्दों की बात करनी चाहिए, चुनाव में विकास की बात होना चाहिए। ये हिंसा, उपद्रव, ये कैसी गंदी राजनीति आ गई? हम इस घटना का निषेध करते हैं, निंदा करते हैं।
Well, condemning this incident as far as the political leaders are concerned, we have Shrishti and Nilesh both joining us right now. Shrishti, first up, is there any update on the medical bulletin of the former Home Minister, especially when we talk about also the investigation in this place? Has there been any lead?
Well, of course, his condition is stable and till the evening he might get discharged is what we are coming to know. But of course, this was an attack which happened yesterday in his constituency, Katol, which is near to Nagpur city. He was campaigning for his son, Salil Deshmukh. This time, Anil Deshmukh is not contesting from his home constituency. And after, completing the campaigning events, he was just coming back to his hometown when the attack happened. However, now police is investigating the entire matter. They are trying to look out for these attackers who have attacked the car of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Importantly, the statement which has been given by the PA of Anil Deshmukh, he has mentioned in his statement given to police that the attackers, when they were leaving from that particular spot, they said BJP Zindabad, Anil Deshmukh Murdabad. So hinting towards the BJP's act of this, this has been mentioned by the PA of Anil Deshmukh. But importantly, war of words is going on in the state of Maharashtra, wherein several opposition
we'll talk about the war of words, but this is on the investigative bit that we are picking up. Let's now, in fact, talk about how questions are being raised over this attack that has been reported on Anil Deshmukh, as far as another allegation that has now been levelled by Uddhav Sena, where Sanjay Raut has now suggested that this could possibly be a plot to kill Anil Deshmukh.
महाराष्ट्र के पूर्व गृह मंत्री अनिल देशमुख के ऊपर उनको मारने की साजिश, उनकी हत्या करने की साजिश और उनको जिस तरह से हमला किया, आपने देखा उसका वीडियो, पूरा सर टूट गया, फूट गया। कौन जिम्मेदार है? चुनाव आयोग के हाथ में पूरे सूत्र रहते हैं ना, तो सबसे पहले चुनाव आयोग जिम्मेदार है, जो महाराष्ट्र की हालत खराब हो गई है। और बाद में मैं मानता हूं कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस जो गृह मंत्री है, 2 साल में महाराष्ट्र की जिस तरह से वाट लगाई है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की, उनकी जिम्मेदारी देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने खुद लेनी चाहिए।
Well, Nilesh, BJP calling it as a political stunt. However, the MVF faction has now gone ahead to call it a plot to kill Anil Deshmukh.
Well, those are some very serious charges, and especially when a state like Maharashtra is poll-bound, nearly few hours left, an ex-Home Minister is being attacked, and that too in his own constituency late at night. That is somewhat proving at moment is difficult for the Mahayuti alliance to counter. However, what these allegations are currently being labelled onto each other speaks a different story. Mahavikas Aghadi on one hand states that how the state is currently under lawlessness, and this attack is being done just in order to influence or create a tension within the family of Mr. Anil Deshmukh, and his son would be taking a back seat for the upcoming election. But at the second option, we can see how UBT leader Sanjay Raut has been calling it as an attempt to kill, because remember it was Baba Siddiqui murder which changed the whole narrative for the upcoming
questioning the law and order of this state, this is how the leaders in the opposition has, with this attack, sparked an outrage with the opposition parties uniting to condemn the alleged, what they have been calling it as vendetta politics. Thank you very much, Shrishti and Nilesh, for joining in. But